What up, Internet?
Hi there, camera.
This is Bumbling Tourist. Yokoso! We're still in Japan, and in today's entry, we're in Osaka.
And these are some cherry blossoms.
So tune in, there'll be challenges, drinking, and exploration, and adventures, and you won't even know what's happening.
I don't know
You're
what's happening.
not even ready for what's going
No.
down. I don't even know what's happening.
You never know what's happening.
Maybe nothing, but it'll be crazy.
Okay, we're done now.
Bumbling Tourist proudly presents
Sushi, Shinkansen, Sakura, and Sake!
An exploration of friendship and misadventures in Japan crammed into a series of easily digestible vloggy vlogs for the whole family.
How may I help you?
Check it out. Language options.
How may I help you? How may I help you? Welcome to the Daido vending machine. いらっしゃいませ。大道の
kicked out of Japan. We're actually
大道の自動販売機にようこそ。お金を入れて、欢迎光臨。
Chinese?
我是大道君。
Korean?
そうだよ。大道自動販売機を。
I like
いらっしゃいませ。大道の自動
Makes me feel like I'm in the right place. It's right there. Delicious. Teriyaki chicken. Kanpai.
Also, I got this little guy. So adorable. And we're on the Thunderbird, going from Kanazawa to Osaka. It's gonna be nice to stay in one place for 3 days. Not have to move around.
It's really amazing.
Yeah.
We took the JR Thunderbird Limited Express from Kanazawa to Osaka.
This was free with our JR pass, but otherwise it'll cost you about 7,500 yen, approximately $75 US.
The trip took 2.5 hours.
Osaka is a great base for day trips to Nara, Kyoto, Fushimi Inari, and Kobe.
Dotonbori is certainly the top recommended site to see in Osaka. It's full of shops, restaurants, and general insanity.
But we will cover more about this uniquely bizarre area in our next video.